Foundation Diploma in High Education System, presented by Tufael Ahmad, Learning Critical Resolution 2203288176, OTHM Level 3 Foundation Diploma Higher Education System, Foundation Computer. And in topic 2.1, internal computer of central processing unit. 2.2, foundation of CPU. 2.3, how computer hardware components work together. 2.4, different type of storage media and this use of each with replacement to the purpose. 3.1, how data is represented in computer system. 3.2, how encircle can be used to represent data. 3.3, how image and sound are represented in computer system. 3.4, how computer can aid the storage of data, image or sounds. 3.5, the purpose of logic gates. 4.1, the purpose of a different type of computer network. 4.2, hardware, software and transmission media used in computer network. 4.3, a range of worldwide web technology. 4.4, the purpose of a different type of computer network topology. Internal computer of central processing unit, control unit, arrangement logic unit, register, cage, buses, clocks. Foundation of a CPU. The foundation primary foundation of the CPU fetch, decode, execute, store. How computer hardware computer work together. In general, internal hardware computer are those that are necessary for the normal operation of a computer, while external hardware computer are attached to a computer to aid or image footage. A computer hardware is a general term used to describe any physical computer of an analog or a digital computer. A computer hardware can be classified as internal or external. Hardware and software computer each other. A computer device can also function effectively and produce useful output when hardware and software work together appropriation. A different type of storage media. Different type of storage media, HDD, the most common type of managing storage device. It's also called a hard disk of a hard device. CD-ROM, the first started on optical storage device for a personal computer on one CD can store 700 MB of data. DVD, the same physical size as a CD, but it can storage between 4.7 15.9 CV of data, depending on whether the data is stored on one or two sides. Flash memory, also called solid storage, similar or ROM, and accepted it can be written to more than one. Blu-ray. This diskette stored as 25 GB of data per layer. They are used for storage high difficult video. SSD based on flash memory, but it indicated as a represent for a traditional hard disk drive. SSDs are more expensive than hard devices, but they can use less power and often much faster data access. USB flash device, also called a USB drive or a flash device. They can storage between 1.5 512 GB. The more they can hold, the more expensive they are. They are flushed into a USB point. The device is recognized as another device. Data representation. Computing use the binary digits 0 and 1 to storage data as a binary digit or bit is the smallest unit of data in a computer. Unicode is a storage a way of representing an in condition digital data. SQL in storage for the American students code for information interchanging. It is a data represented or in count. Encryption of data. Encryption involves using a cryptographic key, a set of mathematical values both the sender and reception agree on. Reception, image and sound. All data inside a computer is transmitted as a series of electrical signals that are turned on or off. How computing can aid the storage of data, image or sound. Processing power and storage space is very valuable on a computer. The purpose of logic sites. Purpose of logic, different type of computer network. Computer network, two or more computer that are connected with one another for the purpose of communication data in electronical. The hardware, software and transmission media used in computer network. And computer network components comprise both physical parts as well as the software required for installation in computer network. A range of World Wide Web technology. Some of the World Wide technology are HTML, URL, HTTP. Computer network topology. In computer network, there are mainly 6 type of physical topology. They are bus topology, ring topology, star topology, mesh topology, tree topology, hybrid topology. Thank you, sir.